Good morning, everyone. 2020 has been a tough year for all of us, but we still managed to travel to Yercaud. So while I take you through the beautiful places, you guys sit back and relax and enjoy the views. अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं कराड़ीयूर व्यू पॉइंट. लास्ट टाइम जब आए थे इधर ट्रैक करना पड़ता था क्योंकि गाड़ी नहीं आ सकती थी, और अभी थोड़ा सा वो सामने जहाँ पर मिट्टी टाइप का रोड हो जाता था वहाँ पर रोड हो गया है प्रॉपर. तो अभी गाड़ी जा सकती है अंदर. या लेट्स सी हाउ इज़ द व्यू पॉइंट नाउ. आगो को बहुत काट दो अच्छे. मैं सर गाड़ी सीट रखी थी कैसे लेता था
इसे वॉलीबॉल लगे को
हाँ हाँ
फसी जो धक्के बोली का. So 2-3 years back when I came here, no vehicle could come till this point, but since the road is better now, but still it is a off-road. But yeah, if it is not raining that heavily, probably you can bring your vehicle. But if you don't want to take the chance, you can park your vehicle at the main road, and it's hardly 800-meter walk. So yeah, that's it from this viewpoint. Let's go to Kiliyur Falls. Yeah, so we have reached Kiliyur Falls, and after like 300 meters there is parking space, but it is very small one, and so like 5 to 10 vehicles at a time can be accommodated in that parking space. So all have parked like roadside. So yeah, I didn't find a place, so I brought my vehicle here and we have parked here. If you are coming here, just you need to keep in mind that about this parking issues. This waterfall is so beautiful, but it's so much crowded and you will not find a place to sit down. When we when we saw this much of crowd, we didn't feel like getting into the water. So we just took a couple of videos and photos and are going back. And we'll go back to some other viewpoint. Yeah, let's see. And this place is Pagoda Point, and you can already see how beautiful this place is. This is amazing, man, and I can see moving clouds over those trees. It's kind of dreamy. And yeah, we are enjoying quite a lot here, and we will be heading back to Bangalore in some time. So this is Yercaud Lake, and due to this COVID situation, still it is not open yet. And yeah, I'm not sure when it will be open. So we cannot go inside. So we will obviously head back to Bangalore now. As this year is coming to an end, I hope 2021 will bring us some happiness. I wish Happy New Year to all and stay safe.